Hey, and welcome back. It is time for another ICPU unboxing from Ken. We have us a beautiful note. It says just a few more for the ICPU. I'm going to show it to you guys. I sprayed and wiped all of them very good, but check for the mealybugs. A couple of extra surprises are included. Maybe you can use them. Exciting. So let's see what we've got. This over here. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day. I do have my little bin next to me here. Ooh, I see them, Ken, and yes, actually I can use them. Wait till you guys see this. Oh my goodness. Now, if you want a 12% discount on your order from the Orchid Supply Store, go to orchidsupplystore.com. Use coupon code TRISH at the checkout. Get that 12% off of anything that you order, whether it be a houseplant, an orchid, supplies for your houseplant or orchid. Look at these, guys. These are the cutest. Oh my goodness. It's a hanging basket. So it comes with this hanger. And I'm assuming you put it in here. Let me just wrap it around here real quick. Hold on. Give me a second here. We're doing this together. Obviously, you'd straighten it out and everything. But look at that. It's wrapped in, looks like cocoa husk. It looks like a coconut, doesn't it? And then the inside, we'll take the paper out. Oh, that is just beautiful. Thank you. Yes, I will definitely be using those. There's two, and then we have 3 of those so far. There might be more, but as of right now, I have 3. So set those off to the side, and they're different sizes. Guys, go get you some of these, especially if you grow outside. You know what? Let's take the paper out of one of them so we can see what it looks like on the inside. And then, hold on, take that part out. There we go. Look at that. You could just use that as your media and put your media in there, and then it'll help keep it moisture retained. For those of you who grow outside, these are perfect. And for those of us who grow inside, who have orchids who need a little more moisture, boom, that is the answer. Keep that little cup for a second. Might use it for something. All right, now let's see what orchids we have in here. I'm excited. I may not be buying orchids right now because I am on that spending freeze, but you know what? With ICPUs coming, that's amazing. Let's see what we have here. Ah, it looks like a piece of spider baby. Oh, and it would go perfect in one of those. It's caught on something, so got a few spider babies here. These are the spider plants. Like I said, he does house plants too, so not just orchids. Up, it looks like there's the mama. There is the mama with all the babies. Look at the roots on her. Look at this. Look at those gorgeous roots. She's got a couple of dry leaves, but look at this. Let me show y'all something. Can y'all see her in this? Because I can. I'm already seeing her in it. Look at that. Get her set up in something like that, clip the babies back, pot them in with mama and make it a little fuller plant. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So see, the ICPUs aren't just orchids. They are also houseplants. See, this is a BC Tongue Star number 2. It's a pink nodosa. And I think I might use one of our hanging baskets for that one too. So I'll have to give her a nice little welcome cocktail soak. What else do we have? Let's see. We have another one right here. It's probably a foul, and it is. That has a spike that's been cut. A decent little root thing set up there. There's some dried ones in there. Looks like she's a big girl with those leaves and that spike, how thick it is. If you're new to the channel, I love me some Phalaenopsis, okay? I have, excuse me, several different types of orchid genre that I sell, a shell. Guys, we could do so much with this. Oh my goodness, put some moss in here with some bark, plant one of our orchids in here. Oh my God, there's so much possibility for that. Put like, look at that. That would look good in there. Oh, Ken, thank you. I love that. And let's see, we have another fowl here. It's got a little bit of leaf problems going on, but we'll fix that, hopefully, fingers crossed. She looks rather healthy from the newer growth that she's done. Just make sure I get all the moss. I like to make sure all the moss is off and from out of the joints. And I'm just double checking also for any mealies. But look at this. Oh, let me move that one out the way so I don't smush her. Look at that one. That's a big juicy girl right there. Yes, she is. She looks like she may have suffered some sun damage because that's dry. That might be too much light with some natural senescing. That looks like I'm just probably going to cut all of that part right there off just to make sure. And I might cut it. I'm probably going to cut it to about right here, put some cinnamon on it just to get rid of that whole section over there. And I'm going to put her off to the side over here because that could be possible. Millie's taken over. I have another one with a name. Let's see what we got here. Got three nice little canes here. They're not too dehydrated, but she is kind of suffering from the roots. So hopefully, if I'm looking at this correctly, this is the latest growth. And maybe with a little bit of encouragement, she'll put out some roots for us. But when I put her in, I'm just going to clean all this off. I'm not going to cut them off. I'll just leave these to help anchor everything in. And this is the RLC Mori Atashoki Kira. Look at there. Not a bad looking plant there. Just needs some roots in her. And then we've got a fowl that is definitely an ICPU. We have 2 leaves on one side, none on the other, a spike that's been cut, and I will leave these spikes that have been cut on the orchid so that they can absorb and pull the nutrients out of the spike. Couple of good little roots on there. I'll leave the bark the way it is. Won't try to detach anything. We'll get her cleaned up. This one here is another fowl with a pretty decent little root system there. Not bad. Not very long, but they're not bad at all. Pretty good little roots. Looks like a little bit of sunburn right here because it's starting to dry. And then we've got some fluorescing going on. And again, I might just cut off the bad pieces and leave the good pieces on. I'll have to decide later. And this is definitely sunburn right here where it got a little too much and that whole side just kind of burnt off. I'm saying sun, it just could be light. Doesn't necessarily have to be sun. If it gets too strong of a light, it'll also burn like that, guys, especially when the leaves are new and tender. Now this one may not make it. We're gonna give it our best shot. This one looks a little sad. The saddest of them all. So this is the one we're gonna root for, okay? We're gonna root for this one. And it also has a spike that's been cut. So we'll leave that on there. If I do see any of these nodes trying to activate, I'll just cut underneath it and let her absorb that spike so that she can get some nutrients off of that. But I'm excited to come up with ideas to use this beautiful shell. Love this. And then of course these cocoa baskets. That's what I'm going to call them. Let's see. There's something on the name. Oh, look. It says Kokodama. Haha. Cocoa basket. Kokodama cocoa basket. So excited. Ken, thank you so much. If you want to watch these ladies thrive and survive, because we're just going to put that out there, we may lose some, but the goal is to maintain them all, let them all survive. Eventually, guys, I will be doing a giveaway on some of the ICPUs once I know that they're all healthy and ready to go. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and subscribe so you know when I do that. Again, go to orchidsupply.store.com, use coupon code TRISH at checkout. Go purchase you some of these cool hanging pots, shells, orchids. These are the ones that he can't sell. That's why he sends them to me, but he has some beautiful ones. I've purchased many from him. Coupon code TRISH at checkout, and I will see you guys on the next one.